Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to create navigation drawer in Android Studio using Kotlin. So first create a new project and select empty views activity and click on next and give the project name here and select the language Kotlin and click on finish. First open the build Gradle and enable view binding and click on sync now. And now go to the main activity and create a variable binding activity main binding and initialize the binding and set the content view binding dot root. Now create a fragment, right click here and create fragment and fragment blank and give the name here home fragment and click on finish. Now go to the layout and open the fragment home and change this frame layout to constraint layout. Now create two more fragments, gallery and slideshow. So right click here, blank fragment and create same way. Now we have created three fragments. One is home fragment, second is gallery fragment and third is slideshow fragment. Now open the drawer folder and create three icons. Right click here and create new and vector assist and click on clip art and search here and select any one icon here and click OK and rename this IC camera 24 and click on next and finish. Now create one more icon here, so right click and new vector assist and click on clip art and search here gallery and click OK and now rename this and click next and click on finish. Now create one more icon here, so new vector assist and click on clip art and right and select this slideshow icon and click OK and rename this and click on next, click on finish. Now we have created three icons for drawer menu. Now add a menu. So first create a directory. So click on resource folder, right click here and create new and select here Android resource directory. Click here and select menu and click OK. Now create a menu. So right click on menu folder and create new and select here menu resource file and give the name for menu resource file activity main drawer and click on OK. Now first add a group and add a menu item here. Now give the ID and set here nav home and now set the title and select icon, click here and select one icon and click OK. Now open in a split mode and add tools. Now add the line tools show in navigation view. Now click on group inside the group and write here Android dot and select this and select single. Now copy this item and paste and paste. Now replace this ID nav gallery. Now replace the ID nav gallery and nav slideshow. Now change the icon, click here and now change icon for slideshow and select the icon for slideshow and now change the title home gallery and slideshow. Now close this. Now add a directory navigation. So right click on resource folder, click here and create new Android resource directory and select here navigation and click OK. And now create a navigation resource file. So right click on navigation and new and select here navigation resource file and give the name for resource file mobile navigation and click OK. Now add some dependency. So we need some dependencies. Click OK. Now click here to add destination. So click here and select first home fragment. This is your home destination and now add more fragments. So gallery and click here new destination and select fragment slideshow. Now open in this split mode and change the home fragment ID nav home and replace also this start destination ID and change the titles label and change the title for gallery and change the label for slideshow and change the ID for gallery fragment nav gallery Now change the ID for slideshow fragment, nav slideshow. Now create a layout for navigation header. So right click on layout and click new layout resource file and give the name here nav header main and change this linear layout and click OK. Now open this in split mode and set the height for layout 176 dp as your requirement, and now set the background and choose any color for header background. So select any color. Now set the gravity and set the gravity bottom, and now set the padding and give the value 16 dp. Now add a image view and add a button, add a text view and one more text view. Now change this image so mid map IC launcher round and give the text for this text view your company name and give the text for this text view your email. Now create a toolbar. So first create a layout, AppBarLayout. So right click on layout and click new and select on layout resource file and give the name for layout resource AppBar main and select this coordinate layout. Select this and click on finish. Now open in split view. Now add select the tools dot context and give this context dot main activity. Now add the AppBar layout here. So right here AppBar layout and select this and give the width match parent and give the height wrap content. Now add a toolbar here. So select here toolbar and select this Android X App Compact Widget Toolbar and give the width for match parents and give the height action bar size and now set the background. So right here background and you can choose any. If you want to put your background color primary color as a background color, so you can change this color and set the color primary. Now create a layout for content container. So right click on layout and click on new layout resource file and give the name for content underscore main and click on OK. Now set the layout behavior show in and layout app bar main. Right. Now add a nav host fragment here. So search here and select nav host fragment. Drag and drop here and select mobile navigation. Click OK and rename this fragment and set the width match parent and set the height match parent. Now go to the app bar main and include here include layout and select content main. Now go to the activity main XML and change this layout as a driver layout and remove this text. Now change this ID main to driver layout and now fit system windows set true and select here open driver and pass start Now include and pass a layout app bar main layout and set the layout width, set the match parents and set the layout height match parents. Now add navigation view. So type here and select navigation view and give the ID for navigation view. Now set the width wrap content and set the height match parents and set the gravity. Start and fit system windows true. Now set the header layout and set this layout header.main. Select this nav header main and now set the menu app menu and select activity main drawer. Now open the main activity and delete this and now add a variable AppBarConfiguration. Now open the AppBar main.xml and give the ID for this toolbar. Now open the main activity and set supported action bar. So binding dot AppBar main dot toolbar. Now open the content main XML and give the this host fragment ID and change here nav host fragment main content. Now go to the main activity and create a variable. Create a variable is equal find nav host controller r dot id dot nav host fragment content main. AppBar configuration is equal AppBar configuration, and now set of and r.id our main fragment navigation id is nav home, and now r.id dot nav gallery, and now r.id dot nav slideshow. Open navigation, mobile navigation, and use these IDs: nav home, nav galleries, and nav slideshow. First, create a variable here. DrawerLayout. DrawerLayout is equal binding dot DrawerLayout. And now create a variable wall NavView navigation view is equal binding dot NavView, and now comma and set here DrawerLayout, right. Now set up ActionBar with NavigationView and pass here NavigationView and AppBarConfiguration, and now NavView dot setup with NavigationView and pass here NavigationView. Now add a override function here on support navigate up. Now create a variable NavigationView is equal find NavigationView and pass here r dot id dot nav host fragment contain main, and now return NavigationView dot navigate up and pass here AppBarConfiguration super dot super dot on support navigate up. Now run the app and see the output. Now app is running and our home fragment is displaying. Now click on this hamburger icon and our driver is, and click on home. Now click on gallery and now click on slideshow. So our app is working perfectly. Now set the image src on nav header and now run the app. And our header image is displaying. Thank you for watching this video.